All right, this is homework help for Tuesday. Tuesday's homework help. All right, week 4, Tuesday. It says the triangle XYZ with vertices. These are your points here. We have X is -6 and -4, so we're going to go ahead and graph that. And again, I'm going to make my X and Y a little darker. -6, start here. That's to the left 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. +4 is up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my ordered pair for X. Okay? Do not forget, an ordered pair, the first coordinate is your X coordinate. That's left, right. The second number is your Y coordinate. That's up, down. Okay? Left negative, right positive, up positive, down negative. Okay. All right. 0 and 6. Right here, 0 on the x-axis, and you go up 6. It's +6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your y coordinate. Z, -4 and 2. So go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1, 2. This is Z. So now I'm going to connect these points. This is my pre-image without the tick marks. This is where it started. It says 180 degrees counterclockwise. Well, 180 degrees is 2 turns. This is 2 turns. And counterclockwise is to the left. That's going in this direction, the opposite direction that the hands go on the clock. So we're turning it to the left 2 times. So watch when I do that. When I turn it 2 times, I go 1 time this way. Okay. 2 times. That picture is upside down and it's in this last fourth quadrant here. Okay. So we're going to write down what those ordered pairs are. Scrap piece of paper. I can write on scrap sheet. All right. So our Z prime, where Z is moved to when I turn it, is right here. That's now go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's +4 and down 1, 2. So that's 4, -2. X prime, okay. X prime is to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and down 1, 2, 3, 4. So +6 and -4. And Y prime is 0 and it's down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0, -6. All right. You see how I wrote those ordered pairs down? When I turned it, which makes my picture upside down, the new triangle is going to be in that fourth quadrant. So I write those ordered pairs down. Okay. Now I'm going to turn my picture, or I'm going to turn my page back to facing back to the right direction. And I'm going to graph these points, okay? I'm going to graph these points. So I have 4 and -2, +4, 1, 2, 3, 4. -2 is down 1, 2. Okay? This was Z prime. All right, that's 4 and -2. X prime is +6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is X prime. And then Y is 0 and -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is Y prime. All right, and so that's where it's moved to. When you rotate it 2 times to the left, this is where it lands. So that's my image. I need to connect my points a little bit better. There we go. All right, so now the next move, well, let me put in these ordered pairs. Put these ordered pairs in here. Um, X is 6 and -4, and Y is 0 and -6. Okay. All right, so now we're going to dilate. Okay, it says dilate. That means to get bigger or smaller by a scale factor. Your scale factor here, K, is equal to 3/2. So you're going to multiply each of these ordered pairs, each of the X and the Y, by 3/2. So to get your new ordered pair here, which is going to be X prime prime, you want to get Y prime prime, and you want to get Z prime prime. Second time that it's going to move. This is the second transformation that we're going to perform. So we're going to say 6 times 3/2, -4 times 3/2, 0 times 3/2, -6 times 3/2, 4 times 3/2, and -2 times 3/2. Or the decimal for 3/2 is 1.5. Okay? So we are going to use our calculator to multiply each of those, the X and the Y coordinate, our X coordinate and our Y coordinate, the numbers in the parentheses, both by 3/4 or 1.5. Okay? All right. Move this out the way. Okay, so we have 6 times 1.5, and that you see how that gives us 9. So this is going to be 9 here. Then we have -4. Negative is right here. You type in 4 times 1.5, and that's -6. Then we have 0 times, if you don't remember that that's 0, type it in. Okay. Then you have -6 times 1.5. Okay, and that's -9. Then you have 4 times 1.5, which is 6, +6. And I'm going to type in the fraction this time so you can see how to type in the fraction. -2 times, and instead of writing 1.5, I'm going to do 3/4. You see how I put that in parentheses? The parentheses are right here above 8 and 9. The division sign is what we use for our fraction bar. We type 3, not 3/4. Look, Lord, it's 4. Or is it 2? 2, 3. I had it right the first time. 3/2. Okay, that's better. My goodness. And that again, that's going to give us -3. Okay. So these are our new ordered pairs for a dilation. So I'm going to graph this. We have 9, +9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and -6, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is X prime prime. Y prime prime is 0 and -9. So let's go down. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. This is Y prime prime. And this is +6 and -3. So go over +6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and -3. 1, 2, 3. This is Z prime prime. So I'm going to connect it, and what happened is that it grew. It got 1.5 times bigger than this one. Okay? So we dilated where this one was, where this one is. The second move, we dilated to make the third move, and all it did was just get bigger. Okay? It got 1.5 times bigger. All right, let's look at this number 5. Okay, so we're going to graph these ordered pairs. This is my pre-image because you don't see any tick marks on these ordered pairs. I'm going to make my y-axis and my x-axis a little bit darker. This is just, for me, it's harder to see. So I just make it a little darker. We have -3, so that's to the left. 1, 2, 3. Negative 4 is down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all I'm doing is graphing these ordered pairs. 0 is here. Negative 3 is down 1, 2, and 3. This is Q. R is negative 1. To the left, negative 1. And then down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is R. Okay. S is negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, and down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right here's 9. This is S. So I'm going to connect this quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. Okay. We're going to translate. We're using this vector. We're translating. 7 is the X. Remember, X is left, right. Since it's positive 7, we're going 7 units to the right. Okay. THT, sorry. And 0, Y is up, down, and you're not moving at all. So your Y is going to stay the same. That's how you read this vector. Okay, make that look clear. All right, so we're just going to move everything 7 units to the right. That's all we're doing here. All right, so 7 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my new location for Q. This is Q prime. R. 1, 2, wait a minute. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my new location for R. This is R prime. Okay. S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my new location for S. S prime. P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my new location for P. P prime. Okay, so all we did was just slide this object over 7 units to the left. So really, all we're doing is adding 7 to our X. And you add 7 to your X, and you don't do anything to Y because you didn't go up or down. You just slid it over 7. So this new order pair, if I add 7 to negative 3, then that's going to be a negative 4. Okay, and leave Y alone. If I add 7 to 0, right here, this is my X, add 7 to it, that gives me 7. Leave Y alone, didn't do anything to Y. Okay, didn't go up or down. Here I add 7, that's negative 6. Leave Y alone. If I add 7 to negative 4, that gives me a positive 3, sorry, and leave the Y alone. Tongue-tied, right? Okay. All right. Wait a minute, I did messed up on R. I did positive 6, right? Okay. All right, forgot to do this one. 90 degrees counterclockwise. 90 degrees is a 1 turn. Okay, remember this is in our notes. 90 is 1 turn, 180 is 2, 270 is 3. Okay, and 360 is 4. It looks like it didn't even move. Counterclockwise is turning it like a clock to the left. Okay, so we are going to turn we're going to turn 1 time to the left. So we're going to pick the picture up and turn it just like this to the left. Okay, so now the picture is sideways. What we're looking for is the one that's already primed. Okay, because we're moving it for a second time. So this time we move it, it's going to be prime. Okay. Fold this paper. All right, we're going to write these new ordered pairs down. We got P first. P prime is right here. I move to the right 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That's positive 4 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4. Okay. Then we have Q prime prime. Your new location for Q is right here. Start at the origin, go to the right 1, 2, 3 times and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So that's 3 comma 7. 3, no, 7. Okay. And then we have R prime prime. Second time R has moved, second transformation. R is right here. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 comma 6. Okay. And S prime. S prime prime. The second time S is moved. Start at the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. 9 and 3. Okay. 9 and 3. All right. So now I'm going to turn this back and I'm going to graph these ordered pairs. Remember, this turned, so it's going to be in this quadrant right here. So I'm going to graph these ordered pairs. So the ordered pair is going to be, and I'm going to write them here. Got P prime prime, which is 4 comma 4. Sorry, slide this down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is P prime prime. Okay. Then we have Q prime prime. It's 3 and 7. Okay, remember I just did those. I'm just writing it on my paper. So go over 1, 2, 3 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is Q prime prime. Then we have R prime prime is 8, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is R prime prime. Then we have S prime prime, which is 9, 6. So this is over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3. All right, yeah. This is S prime prime. And the object, all it did was turn. Okay, it made a rotation. It turned. Okay. All right. So let's look at the bottom two. Let's look at the bottom two. We have scale factor. Remember your scale factor formula for scale factor? We wrote this yesterday. Is image divided by pre-image. Okay, image divided by pre-image. Okay, so this is how this works. You're going to pick a point from just one point. You're going to pick 1 point from your pre-image and 1 point from your image. And I used D yesterday. So I'm going to do my pre-image for D and my image. Write down my image point for D. Okay. All right. So start at, let me find. Oh my God. I didn't realize that the X and Y was all the way over here. Lord, have mercy. So yesterday I did that wrong, y'all. Oh my goodness. All right, so we start here and we're going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is 13, negative 13, negative 14 actually. Negative 14 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 14 and 5. Remember, your pre-image is the one without the tick marks. This is your image after the move. Okay, so let's go back and count. 1, This is negative because you're going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -8, and +1. Right. Okay, so now I'm either going to choose to use my x's to find my scale factor, or I'm going to choose my y's. It doesn't matter, but you can't do both. Either choose the x's or choose the y's, okay? All right, so let me see here, Lord. Make sure I got this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's right. All right. Well, that's right. And 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. That's right too. All right. I ain't gonna argue with it. Okay. So here we go. So my image. Let's use my x's. My image is going to be uh -8. So I'm putting -8 on the top. And my pre-image is going to be -14. Okay. Oops, I did it the other way around. Lord, please help me. Jesus. Jesus. All right, do it again. My image is -8, and my pre-image is -14. All right, so I did do it right. Okay. So now let's divide and see what you get there. Okay. So we got -8 divided by a -14. It's already reduced. You can go math, enter, and it's 4/7. I don't know why I said it was already reduced, because I'm tired. Or you can divide and make it a decimal. 4 divided by 7 is going to be 5.7 and some change, okay? Either way, this is your scale factor. And yesterday, I used the wrong lines for my X and my Y because I couldn't see it. My gosh, that's crazy, ain't it? Sorry, y'all. But that's okay. That's okay. We did that one together, and it's all right if you got something different. Let me really find the X and the Y on this one. This is my Y axis, and this is my X axis. Make sure I really find it. Okay. All right, so here we go. We're gonna do the same. Okay. Something happened there. I don't like the way this came out. Hold on, let me pause real quickly, y'all, because something is not right. I'm trying to figure out what I did. Hold on. All right, so it's I double checked it. It's done correctly. Just looks weird. All right, let's continue. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna pick a point. I'm gonna pick. Let's use Q. Okay, all I gotta do is just use one point. We need pre-image. Remember, the pre is the Q without the tick marks, and the image after the move is the Q with the tick marks. Okay, so let's find Q without the tick marks is right here. So that's to the right. 1, 2. This is 3 and 1, 2. So this is 3, 2. I'll go ahead and take care of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is 6, comma 8. This one works out better. I don't know what's going on with that first one. I don't like that one at all. All right, so here we go. This is X, this is Y, this is X, this is Y. When you use the scale factor, only use either X or Y. Please make sure you don't use 0. Just don't use 0. All right, so here we go. I'm going to use the X's. So for my formula for K, my image goes on the top. My image is 3 and my pre-image is 6. So when I reduce this, I get 1/2. So my answer is 1/2. Okay, and that's it. Please make sure that you show your work. All right. Another thing, this one right here, they're both reductions because they both got, um, wait. Pre-image and image. Hold on, let me do this again. Double check myself. I think I'm just sleepy. All right, so they're half the size of each other, which means this one is twice as big as this one. So you can obviously see this one right here is 2 times as big as the one that's in the middle. Okay. All right. Please make sure that you study your notes. Make sure that you show all of your work. Have a good day.